Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the student discount on Spotify, follow these step-by-step instructions to save money on your subscription. Step 1. Visit the Spotify website and navigate to the Premium Plans page to view available subscription options. Step 2. Locate the Spotify Premium Student Plan, which offers a discounted rate for verified students. Step 3. Click on Get Started or Sign Up under the student plan to begin the verification process. Step 4. Sign into your Spotify account or create a new account if you don't have one already. Step 5. You will be redirected to ShareID, a third-party verification service that confirms your student status. Step 6. Enter your student information, including your name, date of birth, and school email address when prompted. Step 7. Upload proof of enrollment such as a student ID or acceptance letter if additional verification is required. Step 8. Wait for ShareID to verify your status, which usually takes a few minutes, then complete the payment process. Once verified, enjoy your discounted Spotify Premium Student subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.